How to measure up for your perfect fit window blind. Before you begin, please ensure that you have a minimum 6mm clearance between the edge of the window beading and any possible obstructions, in this case the operating handle, to allow enough room for the perfect fit window blind to be installed. Check this clearance on all 4 sides. Check that the seals on your window frame do not protrude over the glass more than 6mm. If the seals are compressible, you can take a bead-to-bead measurement. If they're not compressible, you should take a seal-to-seal measurement. Measure the width of the glass using a metal tape measure and record accurately to the nearest millimetre. We recommend that you measure both corners of your window and use the smallest size taken. Repeat this process for the drop of the window and again record the smallest size taken. Next, measure the depth of the window from the glass to the edge of the beading. This can be done by lining a metal ruler up against a credit card placed across the corner of the window frame. This measurement would normally be between 20 and 24mm and will determine the size of fixing bracket you will use. How to assemble your perfect fit blind. In your pack, you will have your drawn-up blind with attached bottom bar and 2 side frames. Spread out the blind, bottom bar and side frames face down on a clean, even surface. Starting from the top right, guide the side frames onto each corner joint, ensuring all cords are free and positioned inside the frame. Next, tighten the 2 screws on each corner joint to secure the frame firmly into place. Your perfect fit frame is now ready to install. How to install your perfect fit blind. You will need to fit 4 brackets into the window frame onto which your blind will simply click into place. For the correct spacing of the brackets, 85mm from the top and 85mm from the bottom of the window, place one side of a credit card size spacer into the corner of the window. At the opposite end of the spacer, insert a fixing bracket into position between the glass and rubber seal. Repeat this process for each corner. Using a credit card size spacer guarantees that the holes on your perfect fit frame will line up accurately with the lugs on the fixing brackets. Next, take your perfect fit blind with a fabric or slat drawn up to the top of the frame. Offer it up to the window and carefully position the frame onto the lugs of the fixing brackets and click all 4 sides securely into place. Your perfect fit blind is now installed and ready for use.